Welcome to Cuisinia Cooking, the channel for easy cooking tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of new cuisines. Today, we'll be making the ever-delicious, my own version of saucy garlic buttered shrimp. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. Let's start! For this cuisine, we will be needing coriander, garlic, butter, lemon, black pepper, salt, and of course, the shrimp. First, we need to wash thoroughly with running water, remove the head, peel, and devein the shrimp. You can leave the crust, but you will have to cut the back and devein the shrimp. I find it better to peel it all off so it would soak perfectly when marinated and to not go through the hassle of peeling one by one when eating. But of course, it's up to your preference of presentation and consumption. After cleaning, we will be needing Sprite or 7-Up for marinating the shrimp. This helps give taste and remove seafood odors. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. While it's marinating, let's go ahead and mince a handful of coriander, 1 knob or head of a garlic, and prepare 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 50 grams of butter, 1/4 of lemon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, let's prepare the pan with low heat and melt the butter. Add the garlic, and saute it until we get the golden brown color. Then we add the shrimp with medium to high heat. Stir it well until we get the orange color that we like. Then we cover it for 5 minutes in low heat. After that, let's add the lemon, salt, and black pepper. Stir it all together for 3 more minutes. And finally, let's add the minced coriander as a final touch. Let's mix it all well. And we're done. Now you may pour it, make sure it's presentable, and remember, looking is half the eating. Hope you'll enjoy our saucy garlic buttered shrimp. If you like our cuisine, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you!